Repurposing information. To reuse information, we copy any blog or article on a topic and paste it into ChatGPT with the following request. Turn this information into a 10-question assessment. As you can see, there's some questions based on that blog post. We can go a step further and say, add some suggested answers. ChatGPT then begins to formulate some suggested answers to the various questions. We can use this information and turn it into something useful for us. For that, we say, add a scoring system. Now ChatGPT is going to add a scoring system to the information. Remembering that everything we do in the chat function looks back at what we've done previously and uses that to make a better answer. As we can see, it's given points to every question here. Nice and simple. At the end, it gives us a bit of a grading scale. And again, we finish off with format. We might say, format this into a table. Again, trying to get us the best possible resource in the least amount of time with the least amount of effort. As you can see, we have the questions, the answer choices, and the scoring system. This can very easily be copied and pasted or screenshotted into a Word document. And we can print that, we can send that to our colleagues, and we can use that in a very useful way. So this is a bit of an example of how we can take information and pass it to ChatGPT to create something that is more useful to us in the real world. So, see you in the next lesson.